In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zotero in Google Docs. So the first thing you want to do, you want to of course install Zotero to your computer, and then once you do this, you want to click on Tools up here and then install the browser connector as well. I have a full tutorial on my channel about that as well. It is called How to Cite Using Zotero, which will tell you how to essentially do all this, and also I have a tutorial on how to download it and install it, so you can search for that too, and then I will basically show you how to do it all so you can know how to proceed from here. So after you do this, after you have installed Zotero and the connector successfully, what you're going to have to do is you want to first open up your Google Docs. And inside your Google Docs, inside the document, you will see a new tab over here, which is called Zotero. Once you click on it, as you can see, you can add or edit citation, you can add or edit bibliography, etc. Okay? So it works the exact same way as in Word, so I'm just going to show you how to use it. I'm going to just type in written by, for example, and then I'm going to click on Zotero and then add/edit citation. So for the first time you do this, you will have to sign in. So let me just sign in with my Zotero account over here, and then you have to give it the ability to see, edit, create, and delete all your Google Docs documentation. Press continue over here, and then it's going to just update your document. You're going to have to wait for a few seconds for this to essentially disappear. And then over here, you'll get this little icon, this little window, where you will have to essentially just set what you would like the citation style to be. So you can just select between these. I'm going to do over here, I'm going to click on the APA 7, and then you can of course select the language and select if you want to automatically update citations as well. So click on OK. And after you do this, as you can see here, you're going to get this little pop-up window. And inside this pop-up window, you can find your articles. Now, here I have this article. I'm going to just click on it to make a citation, but if you want the classic view, you can click over here and you'll get the classic view of that as well. Now here I'm going to click this and then click this arrow, and then this is going to start updating. There we go. My citation has now been added in here, so it's literally that simple. And every single time you do this, it doesn't take as long. Let me show you. Zotero, add citation. It's just gonna open up this box, and then you'll be able to just search for it. Okay, so I'm going to, for example, add this again in here, just for this instance. This is gonna get added. There we go. The citation is in, and that's pretty much that. If you, at any point inside the document, want to change your preferences, so your citation style, click on Zotero, document preferences, and then here you can just change everything as we did here in the beginning. Now, if you're happy with that, you can then, of course, just click on Zotero, and then after you've done your whole document, you've basically just done everything you wanted, and you want to add or edit a bibliography, click on over here in the document, wherever you want to have it. Make sure you position the cursor on there, click on Zotero, and then click on add/edit bibliography. After you do this, in just a few seconds, this will add in your bibliography. There we go. And then once that's done, okay, this has now been added in here, and this is now exactly how it has to be according to your citation style. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.